In the latest version of Winuscon, Kindle and Kobo are now both embedded in the program. The Windows Phone Link app has been updated as well. We will show you an example how to make use of this tool. When you are reading a book in Kobo or Kindle and find an interesting piece of information and want to use it in an article, it would be nice to just copy and paste the information into your MS Word file. But Kobo will not allow you to select any text. Well, in this video you will learn how to switch Circle Search on in Windows and make use of Google's OCR built into their image search tool. Press Windows key, Shift and S key at the same time to open the clipping tool. Next, select the text you want to copy. Open Google Search in the opposite panel and click on Image Search. Next, press Ctrl and V to paste text in Google's OCR tool. The image is now read and transformed into characters for you to copy and paste into your MS Word document. In the second example, you will learn how to create a QR code for your take-home message on the last slide of your presentation. Open the Advanced Search tool on the Internet Search tab. We have already added a new record and selected the Perplexity search engine. We want to create a description of the program Winuscon 12. For every search query executed in Winuscon, a QR code will be automatically created. This QR code can be selected using the same method as described before. Open your PowerPoint presentation and paste the QR code on your last slide. Finally, we will use our phone to simulate someone in your audience that will scan the code and execute the query on their own phone. Make Winuscon your go-to app whenever you're using your laptop or PC. Enjoy!